Yo, it's Miss Ann and the Lulu, alongside Big Drake, produced by Timo Quack.
I've been standing at the edge of the water, long as I can remember, never really knowing why. I wish I could be the perfect daughter, but I come back to the water, no matter how hard I try. Every turn I take, every trail I track, every path I make, every road leads back to the place I know. Where can I go? Where I long to be? Hey, te marawareroa e wete hai, awa kia ya taia, pararoara, e kana kora kora tange na ye ye wow e, auna ponda taia, kana imananga ia kia taia na tokia hia. Nika kana bahaway, aku pure on the bahaway. I've been in the mangarai, iya tahia. Nika kana bahaway, get the bay and the bahaway. But don't get the bill. I can lead with pride, I can make us strong. I'll be satisfied if I play along. But the voice inside sings a different song. What is wrong with me? See the line of the sky needs to see, and it calls me. And no one knows how far it goes. If the wind and the sail on the sea stays behind me, one day I'll know. If I go, there's just no telling how far I'll
We
go.
go, me and you, girl, all around the world. As long as we know where we come from, we gon' know where no problem. Oh, when it's the wind, the stars in the skies in the deep blue ocean. We will never know, how far can we go? Yeah.